everyone, I am Engineer Selassie from Halo Academy and Brain Boosters. Today I'm really thrilled to talk to you about everything you need to know about laptop. About when you think of about laptop, we have CPU, we have GPU, we have RAM, we have hard disk, and we have resolutions, and we have different ports, and we have also the keyboard, the mouse, and all these specifications has a lot of knowledge. It needs a lot of knowledge. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the tools and techniques you need. And starting from this day, you will never ask anyone about the whole idea of buying a laptop, and I'm going to do it, and I'll come back in a minute. Thank you. So the methods I'm going to show you now. For example, the first thing is we can open the task manager, and from the task manager we can go here. So as you can see, this is the task manager, and we have all the tasks are running here. So if you want to see, the first method is after you open the task manager, you go to performance. Okay, you go to performance. Once you go to performance, as you can see now, I open a lot of things here. Even the synapse is running, that's why it's a little bit high. As you can see, the CPU, I have the Intel Core i i5-8250 CPU and 1.6 Hertz, and this is as you can see here, utilization speed 1.95 gigahertz. Process threads means process in action, in execution, and as you can see, base speed is 1.8 gigahertz, and socket is 1, and core is 4, and logical process is 8. As you can see, 8, and as you can see, virtualization is enabled already, and I have 3 caches here, L1, L2, L3 embedded in our CPU. So the first step, the first method about to know everything about your specification of about your laptop is just go to here, open the memory. As you can see, the random access memory, we have 8 GB, and the speed, as you can see, 2400 megahertz. A slot used 1 of 2, as you can see, factors and hardware reserves, availability, everything is you can see the specification. The most important thing is here, and the speed. Again, the disk, this is the for me, I don't have SSD, so hard disk drive. So as you can see, this is the disk, and as you can see, capacity is 9000. Even if my capacity is 1 terabyte, but it shows here 932 gigabyte. Don't worry, this is fine. But what you have to see is average. This is the capacity you have to see. Once formatted this one, the writing and reading speed is already, you can find it here. So as you can see, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. As you can see, dual band wireless AC 316, and GPU. And if you don't have dedicated GPU, if you are not a gamer or something, you don't need, because this is your GPU. As you can see, Intel RUHD graphics 620. So this is the driver version and driver dates and direct everything, physical locations, and shared GPU memory utilization and everything. So as you can see, we can get everything you need about your CPU, about memory, about disk, and everything from task manager. This is the first step.